I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to cancel your HBO Max subscription, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the HBO Max app. Launch the HBO Max app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to cancel. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner, then select Account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Manage Subscription. In the Account Settings, look for the Manage Subscription option. This will take you to your subscription details. Step 4. Cancel Subscription. Select the option to cancel subscription. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. Be aware that you may need to answer a few questions about your reason for leaving. Quick gotcha. If you don't see the cancel option, make sure you're not using a third-party service like Amazon or Apple for your subscription. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. After confirming, you should receive a notification that your subscription has been cancelled. Keep an eye on your email for any confirmation messages. I hope this helps you manage your HBO Max subscription easily. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask.